Hey guys, my name is Khaled and today we're looking at the LED monitor light with a remote control made by Quntis. So some of the features: it has anti-glare, adjustable color temperature, the power output is 5 watts. We also have color temperature ranging from 3000K to 6500K, adjustable brightness from 5% to 100%, USB-C, LED light source, and it weighs 700 grams. You can put it on ordinary screens, screens with hump, and on curved screens without any issues at all. So on the box it says premium quality. The unboxing experience is quite nice, packaged neatly, and it won't get damaged in transit. So we have this user manual which you can use, show you how to mount it, how to use the counterbalance, etc., all that good stuff. We also get batteries, accessories, and we also have a pretty long USB-A to USB-C cable. No power brick, but it's not too much of an issue. I do like the addition of this wireless remote, so you can turn it on and off, adjust the color temperature, and change the brightness as well. Everything will be demonstrated slightly later on in the video. And now moving on to the light bar. The first thing you will notice when you pick it up, although it's around 720 grams, it does feel hefty. The build quality feels premium as well. The materials used are aluminium alloy and polycarbonate. We have branding on the left hand side of the light bar and also a USB-C input to power up the device. At the bottom part of the light bar we have this sort of counterbalance. This can be adjusted so it can fit different curved screens, flat screen, etc. And at the top we have the mechanism that will fit on the top of your monitor, and the adjustability is from 0.3 centimeter all the way to 6 centimeters. We get this really nice looking wireless remote control that interacts with your light bar. It takes AA batteries and fits with magnetic components. So the range on it is actually really good. It's around 4 to 5 meters. But in all honesty, you're going to use it near your desk, right? Unless you use it as a night lamp and then you have it near your bed. I mean, that's something I do, but let's keep that secret, alright? The light bar has 100 individual LEDs. 50 are reserved for the warm light and 50 for the cool light. Or you can engage all 100 LEDs to create neutral light. So the light bar should fit the majority of modern monitors, but as mentioned, if you have a thicker boy, then this part can be taken off and you can put it on monitors up to 6 centimeter in depth. So at the bottom of the light bar we have this clip mechanism. This will rest on the back of your monitor, and don't worry if you have irregular shape like the iMac or if you have a curved monitor. I mean, I'll demonstrate it on a curved monitor in a moment. It fits absolutely fine. You have this rubber portion as well, so it shouldn't scratch the top of your monitor or the back of the monitor. You have 45-degree angle adjustment on the light bar to get that perfect angle whilst it's mounted on your monitor. Now I'm going to be brutally honest, I thought using a light bar may damage my screen, so I was a bit skeptical at first. But the rubber padding does help a lot, and this ensures your precious monitor is protected from nasty scratches. Okay, so once it's on, very easy installation. It's actually very stable, it doesn't move about or shake at all, even when adjusting the angle of the light bar. So in the upcoming clips, we're just going to be testing the light bar. So I have studio lights on, the light bar is just turned on, but we're going to put the brightness up all the way to 100% and it's on the coolest setting. So let's quickly turn off the studio lights. No lights on apart from the light bar by Quntis. So as you can see, we've got 100% on white light or cool light. Then we can change it to 100% on warm light, so 50 LEDs on each individual light setting. And then let's move it all the way down to 5%, so that's warm, and 5% moving to cool light as well. Alright, so now let's move on to real world scenarios. So just to mention, it only lights up the effective work area, okay? And it has anti-blue light design. So I've been testing this product for roughly a week now, and it's an absolute game changer. Look how well lit the keyboard looks, and that's just using the Quntis monitor light bar. Also, I normally edit at night time without any lights, just the screen light on the monitor, and that does actually cause eye fatigue. But by having that extra light source and anti-blue light technology, it definitely helps in reducing that strain on your eyes. Now let's talk about the handy remote. Not only can you change the color temperature and color brightness, but it also has features like clicking on the top twice and that will put auto brightness on. Also, if you hold it down for more than 5 seconds, then the light will automatically turn off after 2 hours. And lastly, you have the single click to turn the device on and off. This light bar will set you back £60 in the UK and around $70 in the US. If you want more information, then I'll leave links in the description box below. As always guys, if you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, subscribe if you want to, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.